Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Monday.com with Salesforce. We are going to use Zapier.com for this particular task. It's 2023 and couple of things changed inside of the Zapier, so that's why I decided to create a new video about these integrations. So on the plus side, on the left top side of Zapier, we have this create Zap with this little plus icon next to it, and we are going to hit the create Zap. Right now on top left corner, we can still change the name of the Zap. That didn't change, but the UI is a little bit different. So the trigger. First, the app that is going to create the trigger is obviously Monday.com. Once we click on Monday.com, we have to pick an event. So in this case, we go with, for example, a new user, but it's completely up to you. You don't have to go by a new user. You just pick from all of those, I believe, 6 options and hit continue. Then we are about to choose an account. We are going to use the My Account. Hopefully it will work. If not, it doesn't actually matter. Continue. As you can see, I already logged in, so we have two green dots. And right now we are about to test the trigger. Obviously, there is a return the account of user is expired. Yeah, it's a bit old account, but if you test the trigger and you are logged in with the account that you're actually using, it will be all okay. Right now, let's go to the action. The action will be Salesforce. As you can see, Salesforce is added the premium option, so it's paid. Events, let's go with, for example, create file or create attachment. As you can see, Salesforce is offering tons of options, but let's go with the first one. We hit continue and then click on the account yet again. And also my account expired. It's been some time that I've created those videos, so just then you only have to log in, but set up an action and choose the value. And I can't really load the choices since the account is expired. But once you fill in those, that should be no problem if you have actually working account. At this time, for me, that Salesforce is the only one that it's expired. So yeah, sad face. And then you'll just finish and upload the integration. So that's about it, guys. That's very easy. Few steps how you can do it. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.